This is lesson 89, number 26, and it gives me negative 16i, and I'm supposed to find the two square roots, put them in rectangular form. They're going to be exact answers. So this is already in rectangular form, and I want it to be in polar form so I can use that demoivre on it. So let's find out what this is. This can be written as 0 minus 16i. And so I'm getting it, the only reason I'm getting it into polar is just because I have to, that's the form I need for using demoivre on it. So 0 to the right and 16 down. So that means it's just like down here somewhere. And this distance right here is 16. So as far as a polar coordinate, if you open up from the positive x-axis, well, that'd be the y-axis I get. If you open up from the normal axis that we always use, you're going to go around. So that looks like that'd be 270 degrees. And the hypotenuse is 16, so it'd be 16 cis 270, I think. Yes, I think that seems right. Okay, so now we have this. And we're going to find the two square roots in rectangular. So taking a square root is the same as raising something to the half power. And now demoivre, which I keep talking about, is the one where you're going to take the square root of the 16, and that'll give you, I guess, 4. And then you're going to take half of 270, which I'm not sure what that is. Let's see, 270 divided by 2. 135. I guess I should have known that. Okay. So I took half of it. And then remember, I don't know if you remember, but since we're taking square roots, there's a shortcut on this. You can, the angles are going to differ by 360 divided by 2, so they're going to differ by 180. So in other words, I can just take 135 and add 180 to it. And it's kind of like getting something for free. That's 315. Okay, so there's those. I need them, they're supposed to go, they want them in rectangular form though. So rectangular form, again, I'm kind of going back over here and going to figure out where they would be if they're in rectangular form. So this one has a radius of 4 and the angle measures 135, so I think 135 would be over here somewhere. And I think that makes this 45, and that's going to be 1 root 2, and so rectangular I want to go, oh, well, I guess I would go, what am I doing? This is actually 4 though, isn't it? That's 4. So if that's 4, I'm going to do similar triangles here. That's 4. So I can go root 2 is to 1, hypotenuse is to side as 4 is to x. So I can go 4 equals x root 2, so x is 4 over root 2. I think I feel like I'm being weird right now. Well, I'm getting the right answer anyway. There's probably a much easier way to do this than what I'm doing. I had a little brain problem here. Okay, rationalize that. Multiply by root 2 over 2. Then you get 4 root 2 over 2. There had to have been a faster way than that. That's 2 root 2. Okay, so this down here is 2 root 2, and that is also, since it's a isosceles, that one's also 2 root 2. So it's going to be left by 2 root 2, because it's going left, 2 root 2, and up, 2 root 2. Like that. Yep, that's correct. And then we're going to do the next one. I'll do it in a different color. I'll do it in red. So 315 degrees, I think, is over here somewhere. Right? That would be 270. That'd be 3. Here's 315, and that's again going to give me the 45, 45, 90. This is 4, so I can do that all that process again, and I'm going to still find out that this is going to be 2 root 2, and this is 2 root 2. And then, why did I do it that long way? And then, so this goes right by 2 root 2 and down by 2 root 2. So, okay. And I think that it? That's it. So there's your 2 answers.